Hi students, welcome to Anji Maths channel again. Today we will discuss a problem from the similar triangles. The problem is, in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. That means this is a right triangle. DE are the points of trisection of BC bar. Then we have to prove 8AE square is equal to 3AC square plus 5AD square. See, before going to the proof, we have to construct a diagram. That is, we have to draw a diagram which is acting for this data. Here, ABC is a right triangle, and D and E are points of trisection of BC bar. This BC bar is divided into three equal parts by these 2 points. The points which divide a segment into three equal parts are called points of trisection. These three, BD is equal to DE is equal to EC. Now, let us go for the proof. What are given first? In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. That is right triangle. And D comma E are points of trisection of BC bar. That is, let BC is equal to some x units. If you take this total length as x, see, BD is 1/3 of x. 1/3 becomes 2/3 of x. So let us write the values of these lengths BD and BE in terms of x. Then BD is 1/3 of BC, that is x by 3, and BE is 2/3 of BC, that is 2 times x by 3. Now let us draw the segments AD and AE. Clearly, one can easily observe three right triangles, ABD, ABE and ABC. Now it is our duty to apply the Pythagoras theorem for these three right triangles. First of all, I would like to take as per the order. See, we need AE square, AC square, AD square. I would like to start with the right triangle having hypotenuse AE, that is ABE. Triangle ABE, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. So by Pythagoras theorem, square of the hypotenuse AE square is equal to sum of the squares of legs, that is AB square plus BE square. AB square plus BE square, that is AB square plus BE. BE means 2x by 3. 2x by 3 whole square, which in turn equal to AB square plus, apply the square for all the factors in the fraction, 2 square 4, x square by 3 square 9. Let it be equation 1. Now let me take the next right triangle involving hypotenuse AC, that is ABC. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. By Pythagoras theorem, opposite to B is AC. AC square is equal to squares of the legs, that is AB square plus BC square, AB square. As you know, length of BC is x square. Let it be true. Next, go for the third right triangle. What is the third right triangle? The which is having a hypotenuse AD, that is the smallest right triangle. In triangle ABD, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Then what is opposite to B? AD is the hypotenuse. AD square is equal to AB square plus BD square, that is equal to AB square plus BD is 1/3 of this, that is x by 3 whole square, it is equal to AB square plus x square by 9. Let it be equation 3. Now you have to prove 8 times A square is equal to 3 times S square plus 5 times AD square. If you bring all these things into LHS, then 8A square minus 3S square minus 5AD square is equal to 0. So let us prove in that way. As we don't have the space, let me erase some of the part here. No option is available. Yes. See, now I would like to take all the things in LHS. 8 AE square minus 3 times AC square minus 5 times AD square. What is its value? Let us see. 8 times AE square. What is AE square? AB square plus 4x square by 9 minus 3 times AC square. What is AC square? AB square plus x square minus 5 times AD square. AD square is AB square plus x square by 9. Now let us apply the distribution. 8 AB square plus 8 fourths 32 x square by 9 minus 3 AB square minus 3x square minus 5 AB square minus 5x square by 9. See, 8 AB square minus 3 AB square minus 5 AB square becomes minus 8 AB square. Again, plus, write down all these x square terms together. 32x square by 9 minus 5x square by 9 minus 3x square. I have written 1, 2, 3 all together there. 8ab square, 8ab square gets cancelled. You can observe. See, here what is LCM? 9. 32x square minus 5x square, and see, it becomes minus 27x square. Here also minus 27 minus 5 minus 32x square plus 32x square. It is 32x square minus 32x square by, and these two gets cancelled. We will get 0 by 9, that is equal to 0. So what we have arrived, the value of 8 times AE square minus 3 times AC square minus 5AD square is arrived as 0, which implies, let us shift these two terms into RHS. 8 AE square is equal to 3 AC square plus 5 AD square. This is our required result to be proved. So here what we have done, just we have applied Pythagoras theorem for the right triangles which are having these three as hypotenuses. I hope you have understood. Thank you.